Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make an outline around lettering in GIMP. So what you do is you hit fuzzy select and select each letter individually by tapping it and pressing shift. You do that for every single item you want a border around, and then you go to select and border, and you hit the arrow until you pick the size that you'd like, and then hit OK. And now you just take the paintbrush tool, resize it, and then let's do green for yes, and start painting. And there you have it. And now let's change the color for the equality sign. We'll do purple. And now red for no. We have a perfect outline, and you just hit select and none, and that's it. And you can also do it for images like this, different shapes, but this time you'll hit the fuzzy select and touch the background, and now go to select and hit invert, and again select border, and let's do a smaller border this time. Let's do size 4. And I would like to make my border black this time, and you can make the paintbrush bigger so you don't have to work as hard. And then ta-da! A perfect outline for your image. Just click select none and you're done. And that's how you make an outline in GIMP for free.